Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Beyond online banking account. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the web address bar, type in www.beyondbank.com.au. Press enter on your keyboard and find yourself in the official site of Beyond Bank of Australia. Once you're in the official web page, go and click on the login button at the top right hand corner. And if you're an existing account holder for internet banking, enter your member number along with your password to get access to your account right away. If you're not enrolled into online account yet, click on Not a Member, Open an Account Now link beneath the login button. On the next page, click on Open an Account again. Go ahead and pick one of the options in the pop-up. If you already have a bank account, click on I'm an existing customer. If you're a new customer, click on I'm a new customer option. On the next page, you'll need to confirm your identity. Simply go through the information first, and it says that in order to sign up for an online account, you must be 18 years above, you must have one of your identity document, for example driver's license, an Australian or foreign passport, and you must also have a mobile phone handy in order to complete your registration. Scroll down and click on the Start button and follow through the on-screen prompts. Enter your name in the first text box and click the Continue button. Select one of the options from the display and select what is the best way to contact you from the options, and now enter your mobile number in the next field. After you are done, enter your email address. Make sure to enter a valid email address for yourself. After you fill in the details, click the Continue button. On the next page, you'll need to identify yourself. Select one of the identity document type. If you've got a photo ID, let's simply click on the photo ID option. If you've got no photo ID with you, select no photo ID and fill in some of the information that is asked to you right beneath. If you've got a photo ID, then you can simply click on the option and click Continue. On the next page, you need to use your mobile number and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to verify yourself. Click on Get ID Verification SMS and you'll receive an SMS sent to your mobile number. Follow through the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to finish off your registration for Beyond Bank online banking account. That is how you'll be able to sign up for a Beyond online banking account on a computer. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.